Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Food World. Today, we're going to be making Shankarpali. So for this dish, you'll need about 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, and 1 cup ghee, otherwise known as clarified butter. Then you will also need 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and about half a teaspoon of salt. Finally, you'll need about 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now that you have the ingredients, take a pot and put the milk into it. Heat up the milk and then add all the sugar into the milk. Stir it well so then the sugar gets dissolved. Then add all of the ghee into the milk and sugar and then stir it once more. Now put that in a large bowl and add the cardamom powder and salt. Then slowly incorporate the flour into the bowl. Now mix this very well until it's the consistency of cookie dough. Do note that mixing this does take a lot of effort and patience, but trust me, it'll pay off in the end. When you're at the right texture, take a portion of the dough and make it into a cylinder shape. Try to make the thickness about 1 inch. Now it's time to take out the rolling pin. Roll out the dough until it's about half a centimeter thick. Then, take out a pizza cutter or knife and cut the dough. You can cut it into any shape you want, but this is the most common. When you're done cutting, take off the edge pieces so then you can use them for later. Once you have finished rolling and cutting all of the dough, you can get to frying. Gently drop the Shankarpalis into the hot oil and slowly mix them around for a good 7 to 8 minutes so they brown evenly and nicely. Once they all turn a nice even golden brown, take them out and put them on a paper towel so then some of the oil gets soaked up. Then they're all yours to eat.